Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G22 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter the developer options and a quick disclaimer: if you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, that's quite normal. You will have to activate them. So let's enter the About phone, scroll down and keep tapping on the build number until you will activate the developer options. So now let's go back to the system, enter the developer options, and again a quick disclaimer: I've just recorded a video about the developer options, so if you want to learn more about them, I highly recommend to check it. So here in this section we can simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned on, which simply means that my device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. But of course, if in your case it is turned off, just tap on the switcher, and basically from now on you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device. However, you have to remember about restarting it from time to time, so your device will be allowed to apply the updates. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to allow automatic system updates in your Nokia G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.